Did you know that over 70% of students rely on AI tools to complete their assignments and projects? Yet many of them are stuck using outdated or paid software. Today, we're going to break down the best free AI tools available to students in 2026, saving you time and effort in your academic pursuits. With the rise of artificial intelligence, the landscape of free tools has evolved significantly. Gone are the days of manual research and tedious data analysis. Now, you can harness the power of AI to streamline your workflow and produce high-quality results. Let's dive into the top free AI tools that every student should know about. 1. Google Cloud's AI platform ****. Google Cloud's AI platform is a robust suite of tools that allows you to train and deploy machine learning models. What sets it apart is its seamless integration with Google Drive, making it an ideal choice for students who already use Google's ecosystem. To get started,